इसके लिए मैं सोचती हूँ आज के जनरेशन के लिए स्पिरिचुअल ज्ञान होना, एक गुरु का मार्गदर्शन होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। नहीं तो बस अज्ञान में लोग भटक रहे, अज्ञानता से कर्म कर रहे, अज्ञानता से लोगों को दोषारोप कर रहे कि दुनिया गलत है, मेरे साथ गलत हो रहा है, मैं अच्छा इंसान हूँ। पर जब कर्म कर रहे हो तब उसका कोई ज्ञान ही नहीं है कि आप कर्म क्या कर रहे हो। और आप जब ये कर्म कर रहे हो, आपके पास ये चीज़ घूम के आएगी, क्योंकि आप निष्कर्म योगी नहीं हो, आप मनुष्य हो। और आज की जनरेशन की जो पीढ़ी है, जो वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट, वुमेन को एम्पावर करना चाह रहे, मोटिवेट करना चाह रहे, ठीक है, तो अपनी बुद्धि को विकास करो। कोई द्वंद नहीं है, ठीक है। नारी को जब शक्ति कहते हैं, नारी को जब बोलते हैं माँ का स्वरूप है, बहन का स्वरूप है, नारी ममता से बनी है, प्रेम से बनी है। तो लोग बस सोचते फूल, नारी एक फूल है, अब फूल को ऐसा निचोड़ देते तो बस नारी अब वो हो गई। अरे इतना आसान थोड़ी होता है। नारी तक अटके हो तो नारी का ना संपूर्ण बोध नहीं हो रहा कि नारी शब्द क्या है, नारी का अस्तित्व क्या है, नारी का महत्व क्या है। इतना ज्यादा नर के पीछे घुसे पड़े हुए सब दुनिया में। अपनी शक्ति को जानो ना, ऑटोमेटिक सारी चीजों में गाइडेंस मिल जाएगा। अपना परिवार बनाना है, अपना घर बनाना है, सुंदर परिवार का रचयिता करना है। बोलते हैं ना, नारी घर को घर बना देता है, नारी का प्रवेश हो जाता है ना, घर सुंदर हो जाता है। हो जाता है क्योंकि वो शक्तिशाली है, शक्ति का वास है। और अगर उसको उस विषय में ज्ञान है तो ही। अज्ञानता एक सागर है, जैसा ज्ञान एक सागर है। द्वंद युद्ध तो लड़कियों से या नर से या आदमियों से तो कभी चल ही नहीं रहा है। हम अगर शक्ति है, हम अगर पावर है, हम अगर नारी है, और हम अगर ब्रह्मांड के नाद है, ध्वनि है, मंथन है, तो भीतर की शक्ति को तो जानना जरूरत है ना कि नारी का मूल अर्थ क्या है। परिवार बनाना और उस परिवार को हमेशा संरक्षक करना। और शक्ति जब नारी के साथ जुड़ जाती है तो वो पूरा विश्व उसका कुटुंब बन जाता है, पूरा विश्व ही उसका घर है, पूरा विश्व में ही उसके सारे भाई बहन बंधु सब है। आजकल की नारियों में अपना घर समेटने की ताकत नहीं है, क्योंकि इतना ज्यादा अज्ञानता में डूब गए। बस सामने वाले में ही गलती है, हम तो एकदम परफेक्ट, हम निपुण, क्योंकि हम शक्ति, हम देवी दुर्गा के रूप है, हम काली के रूप है, हम चामुंडा चामुंडेश्वरी। हम तो नाचेंगे क्योंकि हम सदा से नाचते आए हैं। तो शक्ति को ना कोई नचा नहीं पाता है, शक्ति अपनी इच्छा से नाचती है और अपनी इच्छा से नचवाती है। तो जब नारी और शक्ति शब्द एक हो जाता है तो वो स्त्री मामूली नहीं रहती है। और पहली बात तो स्त्री होके जन्म लेना ही एक इतना भाग्यशाली चीज है कि गुरु कृपा के हिसाब से जब आप उस पूरे ब्रह्मांड की ऊर्जा को अपने शरीर में महसूस करते हो, तब नारी शब्द का, नारी शक्ति का सही अर्थ समझ में आता है कि शक्ति रूप, स्वरूप क्या होता है। तो ये जो नारी आजकल दिख रही नारी है, या ये पीढ़ी का दोष है? किसका दोष दे कि ये पीढ़ी ने नारी को बदल दिया है? नारी तो एक समय में ऐसा ही हुआ करती थी, ऐसा ही रहती थी। वो तो प्रेम में मगन थी, नदी के माफिक बहती थी, सुंदर कल्पना करती थी। क्या ये समय ने बना दिया है नारी को ऐसा? क्या ये समय की गलती है या नारी की गलती है? मैं तो सोचती हूँ शायद ना समय की गलती है ना नारी की गलती है। पर इट्स नेवर टू लेट टू बिगिन। ठीक है, अब शुरुआत कभी भी करो यार। इसकी गलती उसकी गलती, गलती ढूंढने बैठोगे ना, कुछ हाथ नहीं लगने वाला, कुछ समझ नहीं आने वाला। एक दूसरे की गलती मत ढूंढो यार। एक्सेप्ट accept yourself, accept your power, accept the shakti that you are. When we women hold unlimited powers, we women hold creation of 9 months, being mother. We women bleed every month with such pain and honor. Are we are we so weak? Are we just made for chaos? We are made for balance. We are made for love. We are the hope, we are the faith in man's heart. Love is universal. Divine feminine, divine masculine. They are not separate, they are not different. They are one. There are no fights. There are no thoughts. There is only one singularity, one pole. There is no you doing, I doing. There is only we doing, we creating, we evolving, we loving, we charging, we growing. Because a man's power is the woman, and the woman's main power is a man. This too brings the balance, brings the union, brings love, brings joy, brings bliss in our heart. We women are very powerful creatures, and we are divine. From the day we start to think we are divine, we are goddess. It is our mistake that we treat ourselves like that. We make family, we make home, we make this earth, and we are loving creatures, not chaotic dancers. Okay? Flames of fire rising so high, You have the strength within to calm yourself and to redirect, navigate your path, your anger towards love, towards creation, towards balance. Balance is what we need, not discrimination. And we as Nari and we as Nari Shakti, as powers, as sisters, we are here to make, we are here to create love. We are here not to break or shake. We are the balance. And all my loving sisters across the planet, across the globe, wherever you are, hear me. Calm yourself down, calm this energy. Navigate it with love. Hold it with love. With the white, luminous and violet, blazing light. Violent blazing light. Come on. We are women, we have got flames in our body and we just react. But it's okay. But it is all okay. We react. But we can put our reaction somewhere more deeper and more cellular inside our heart to create peace and harmony, to create love, and not to get attached with dense emotions that stops you. Shakti is supposed to flow like a breeze, like a maddening river. Shakti is just supposed to flow. Shakti makes her way. So let her flow. But you are the one who is creating the family. As women, we should take the responsibility. We are creating, we are loving, we are love, we are light. We are the creator, and seriously, we are the destroyers. But we focus in creating Shakti sisters because the world we see right now in this reality is so much distorted, so much corrupted, so much corrupted. Femininity, feminism, just words. Love words, everything just words, image, projection. So this is not what we are. This is just a projection of our minds. We are not that. We are not made of that. And we will not accept that. We are made to love. We are made to love. We are not here to break. Hari Om Tat Sat. Shiva Shakti bless the worlds. with abundance, announcements of love, fulfillment, compassion, understanding to understand each other, process. So, being a woman, we should be responsible how we want to be get treated. Okay, just do not portray the image of the goddesses, of Kali, of Devi Durga, of any manifestation until and unless you are one. So woman and Shakti becomes Prakriti Shakti, woman Shakti. So woman has to be responsible for all the thoughts, all the actions, all the deeds. And when I say about women, you guys all women right now must be thinking, why she's talking so much about women? Why not about men? When I say about women, man is the reflection of the woman. Okay? So if you take the authority, if you take the charge, whatever you see outside may change. Yeah? So own your ownership, authoritativeness. That's all I can say. For all the ladies out there till now, like thinking and questioning, why doesn't she know what woman goes through? So much pain, so much suffering woman bears. Why she's just saying woman has to? Because I feel right now Shakti holds the optimum power, optimum source to change, to create. That's why. And as I am a woman, it's my responsibility how I react towards my things. When I think, I say things are like karmic creations of this timeline. How I would react to those things that is occurring in my mind, occurring right now in this timeline. How will I react to those things that are popping here and there, emotions flaring? So when I am giving that power, so reaction, how I will react, I have that power in my hand. And recognizing what are you intending to bring on the table. When you say that, when the thought arrives, understand what is the purpose behind, what is the consciousness behind that thought. Is this thought is going to create or to destroy? If something that is occurring out of hate, discrimination, fear, all this tense emotion, just cut yourself out. Okay? Navigate that towards love, towards oneness, towards growth. Like that, it can happen. And we are also the reflections of men, okay? Every man on this planet has to become Shiva to receive Shakti. Every Shiva has to become Shiva himself. Unknowingly becoming knowingly Shakti in the same process. But when they do know each other, they do know, right, what they have to bring, being a conscious partner is very important. Being consciousness, jagrutta, is very important. What are you bringing? You should know what are you bringing. If you don't know, don't bring. Don't bring anything that you don't know. I would say don't bring anything that you don't know. Yeah. And how you know? You know from within. Shakti and Shiva bless everybody to bring oneness, all that I can say. Love you all, my Shakti sisters and Shakti brothers. Be strong and have love for everybody. Have love and acceptance for everybody. Let it go. Let all this thing go. Love is only a seed that can grow and can bring sweetness, beauty. Whatever the world we imagine, it can come like that. But we have to think. Hari Om Tat Sat.